Hi, welcome back to my channel. Also welcome to you if this is your first time visiting my channel. Get rid of 10,000 mosquitoes in 1 week. Is this possible? If you are a farmer, or someone with a large property, or someone with lots of standing water on your property, then you may have thousands of mosquitoes on your property. If you have lots of mosquitoes on your property, then this video is for you. By the way, this is part 5 of the mosquito videos. Please check out the other videos on my channel. We will have a short introduction followed by the method applied to get rid of 10,000 mosquitoes. Thereafter we will look at the environment, or ecosystem, required for our strategy. Lastly, I'm gonna give a warning about what may jeopardize this method. We will end with a quiz, so please stay tuned. You can get rid of 10,000 mosquitoes per week by inviting predator insects to your property. You need to create a conducive and attractive environment to lure predator insects to your garden. The top predator is the small brown bat. Small brown bats are capable of killing 1,000 mosquitoes per night. This predator alone can achieve the target of 10,000 mosquitoes per week. Oh, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. The next main predator is the dragonfly. They eat hundreds of mosquitoes per night and can achieve the target of 1,000 mosquitoes per week. They also get rid of mosquito larvae, so you definitely want to keep them around. The next predator is the mosquito fish. Interesting name, do you agree? This predator concentrates on the mosquito larvae and will clean your ponds and rainwater tanks from almost all the larvae. Birds also eat mosquitoes and they will get rid of hundreds of mosquitoes per week. Spiders also contribute to reduce the mosquito population. Spiders also consume about hundreds of mosquitoes per week. Frogs and other amphibians hunt both the adult mosquitoes and their larvae. They get rid of at least 100 per week. Now that we know about the mosquito predators and their positive impact on your property, we need to create an attractive environment for them. A good ecosystem includes a pond, stream with surrounding trees and flowers. Lots of birds and insects will visit the area. Gardens with fruit trees and vegetable gardens will attract bats at night. This is coincidentally the same time when mosquitoes are most active. You can have a mixture of the two examples or create your own idea. The small brown bat will come to gardens with fruit trees and vegetables because a lot of insects will be around. Dragonflies like vertical bamboo sticks or poles that they use as a lookout tower for their prey. The pond, or stream, flowers, and garden may attract more mosquitoes. Monitor standing water and take appropriate action. You need to maintain your garden regularly. Keep outdoor spaces neat and tidy. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Dragonflies are faster than mosquitoes and catch them in midair. Please note you can have a small rock pond or water feature as an ecosystem on a small property. This is by far the most effective way to get rid of mosquitoes. This is also an environmental-friendly way of dealing with a mosquito problem. Methods like mosquito traps, repellents, and pesticides should be considered as a plan B only. It is indeed possible to get rid of 10,000 mosquitoes per week. Thanks for watching. Until next time.